In this video, we are going to add a button of edit, and I want to and we have to edit that record. Now let's go on the edit listing page and add here the button. Okay. Now this is the listing page, and let's add one header to which action. Okay. And we have to add here the edit page. td td. We have to create edit page. That's why I will add here the a tag, and a tag will be close. Inside text will be edit. href will be category with API/edit. Question mark id will be here. We have to pass the id. Alias i.id. Okay. Now let's refresh. You can see that edit, and in the left bottom you can see that URL has been generated with category with API/edit and id is equal to 1. Now let's create a one page edit. And here we will pass the id, and this id we are going to store view back dot. Okay, id is equal to id. We are storing in the view back because we have to call this, we have to use in on the Ajax request. Now let's create a page. Inside page I will use same add form. I'm not going to modify anything in the add form. Even I will use same method. I created a form submit. I'm going to here the section script. Let's see what are the scripts or the scripts. This is the scripts. Okay, and inside the script API, let's call the form submit. Okay, and inside we have to call submit button. Okay, before that let's show you something. When I will click on the edit button, okay, let's build it first. I have built it. Now let's refresh it. Okay, page has been loaded. Now let's go back. In the background it's taking time to load because we have built the data. Now you can see the data in edit button. When I click on the edit button, there should be data autofilled. We have already know that when we will click on edit button, it will redirect to next page, and next page this data should be autofilled. Then we have to update whatever data, then we have to click on the submit button. For that, let's call the get by id API. Okay, this is the get by id API, and this will fetch the data. For that, we have to call get request. Okay, let's create one function get by id data. I create one data, and here I will call Ajax dot Ajax. Inside Ajax I am going to use type get data type JSON content type application slash JSON URL. In the URL we already know that we have to pass this URL. Okay, then I will remove the domain. I will pass here the ID, and we already know that we have added inside the vback that ID vback.id. Okay, and here the success. function, I will get response on the error. I'm going to write same thing, that alert error, whatever the error I'm going to log here, and here let's console.log. Okay, and we have to call this function somewhere from the somewhere. For that I am going to write here the document dot ready, and this function I will call from the document get by id from the document.ready. It means whenever page will be loaded, then this function will be called, and this function calls the Ajax, and from the Ajax we will get the data. Now let's refresh the page. Before that, let's inspect and refresh it. You can see that we have got the data. Now we have to bind this data with our text box. Okay, for that let's write it as title. We have to set the data address title. Okay, then we have write only one. Then you can see that title has been binded. Same thing, we have to bind title, subtitle, description, all those fields. Subtitle where res dot subtitle, and image description, image and description. And one thing more here, we all know that we need id also for the update the record. That's why I will create here the input type hidden, and id will be id. Okay, that's why I will pass also data here, and this will be on the top where will be res dot id. Then this all here you can see that the all data will be binded with our text box. Now let's comment this console.log double slash. Now you can see that t-shirt has been logged, and there is no any description. That's why this data has not been logged. And the network, we can see that after calling edit, and here we can see that this is the get by id. We can also filter here out. Get by id has been called, and this is the data. Type description, the empty id, image, subtitle, all those has been fetched. We can see that it has been auto-filled. Now let's write the code of update. In the update form submit, it will be same as it is of add. Okay, this will be same, nothing there will be change. If you want to see the how to add, then you can see the previous video, the title, subtitle, image, description, and here we have to call the edit. Okay, and after submit we have to derive also on the index page, error page, and this is the required for the prevent the form submit. And we have to pass the id also, because this is the edit things. Then I will use here id. Okay, now let's try it. Okay, t-shirt 99, subtitle I'm changing 99. This is the t-shirt description. Now let's save it. Before that, let's log. When I will click on submit button, we have got the success. Okay, and you can see that t-shirt 99 t-shirt description has we have got the data. Now let's again the edit, and this time you can see that description has been, we have got the description 2, and after submitting we can edit the data. Now any record, whatever record you want to edit, you can edit. Now this is blank. Now let's submit it. Okay, this is the blank. Record has been updated successfully. That's it for this video. Thank you.